We understand that having your roof replaced isn't something you want to think about. But when it comes to your home or business, having a roof that lasts is essential. If you're looking for a roofing company in Fort Collins, Colorado that can get the job done right, look no further than Denny's Roofing LLC. We can help with all of your residential roofing needs, from simple repairs to total replacement. We also offer a wide range of commercial roofing services, including metal roof installation, and hail and storm damage repair. At Denny's Roofing LLC, we pride ourselves on being the best at what we do. Our crews have installed more than 1,000 roofs, and we look forward to earning your trust. We've built our reputation on 5-star customer service during the entire construction or repair process. And we take pride in that fact. We go above and beyond to make sure our customers are getting the best quality possible at an affordable price. So, if we could be of service to your business, call us at 970-545-0099. You can also visit our website at www.Denny'sRoofingLCC.com/Fort-Collins-Roofing-Company. Let Denny's Roofing LLC show you how real service should always be.